bururi uthiete na mbere kuhurana na ungumania riu kuri na uhotekeku wa mitaratara ya thirikari kwaga maciaro kuona kuri na andu aria makoretwo magitabania biacara cia ungumania guku bururi-ini mari na giikaro na ruhonge rwa uungania wa Magoti. Kamiti ya kigina riu ni yoritie ruhonge gukorwo kihingura mihaka iria irahingitwo ni undu wa uungania wa Magoti. Kuringana na kamiti iyo mihaka ino no irathie na mbere gukorwo na mianya ya gutabaniria ungumania kuria mogite turia neme no maraingiria indo cia magendo guku bururi-ini matagukorwo makiriha magoti.
All the border posts under the defense and foreign relations, on the face of it, there are a lot of contraband goods that come across, and it's owned by cartels, very powerful cartels. Nobody knows, they're invisible. The sugar that you consume here, part of it camouflaged as mumias, and this comes through those borders. It's been my take. It is safer, it is better, it's convenient to have the border officially open because it's unofficially closed for the wheeler dealers, the carteliers. We are losing taxes. You need to protect this country. And you need to protect this country, take over those crossing points as KR.
Kurumire na mateta ma Kenya maria marakoretwo makirekererio wiki hituku thutha wa maabitha a ungania wa Magoti KRA gutuika ni maragagia Agendi. Riu KRA yugite ati ndiri no menyo wa ndeto icio na kuria maugite ni magutabanio thuthuria na kinyi niguo kumenya wega kana ndeto icio ni ciama. Riu kamiti ino ikihinyiriria ati kuri na bata munene wa guthomithia maabitha aria marathurima mirigo ya Agendi kiharo-ini kia Jkia kuona Agendi othe ni mabatio guthaitirwo wega riria macera guku bururi-ini.
Importantly, arm this information with KRA officials because as I gave you my experience, I didn't. Mine was not to break the law, but the way it was being explained was, was with kiburi and madharau. So it's more of an open conversation, and from the understanding that those officers are just implementing the law. So as the lawmakers, how do we work with them to come up with a law that balances off, them doing their role and assuring that we safeguard the interests of Kenyans, of brothers and diaspora, and remain competitive.
Kamiti ino riu ni iranire gutwarithia mubango wa guthurima mirigo na kurenga magoti kuri Agendi hamwe na Kenya aria maracoka guku bururi-ini muoroto-ini munene wa guteithia bururi kuhota kwirugamirira wega kimbeca. No thengia ya uguo KRA no ithiete na mbere na kurugama na riendekithia ria Minister wa Agendi Alfred Mutua ya gukorwo matigukorwo magitinia magoti kuri indo iria ni cia mundu kiumbe.
Because I said this during National Taxpayers Day, that if you're not able to generate our own resources, we cannot claim to be sovereign or independent. So you're independent if we're able to manage our own affairs, and part of that is funding our own budget. How you're asking me questions, it's how you're treating me that I'm not comfortable with. So I think it's about retraining them and continuous engagement to tell travelers what they're supposed to do.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV njitagwo Bashia wa Wajene.